weird GoPro problems that I've been having. I don't know what's going on with this thing, but I having some trouble because my feet are sore, which I didn't even realize till now. It only hurts because I'm using the same muscles that I did when I was learning. Now, I did do this for about an hour last time. I don't know if I'm going to make an hour today, but I got a lot of the basics out of the way. I'm feeling a little bit more confident in my turns. Still not 100% there with that yet, but I definitely feel like I'm turning a lot better. Consistently getting on the wheel, feeling confident enough to ride around. Now, I've been taking my time with this because injuries are not good for a 40-year-old, and so I just wanted to learn the basics a lot, and let's take it slow. But I do feel like I'm getting it. Yeah, see, I can even adjust my foot in the middle of me going now. So that feels good. I feel like turning is starting to become natural. Still a little sketchy in the slow turns, but I'm getting it. But yeah, just relaxing and going, and I'm going to attempt to go up this. This is something I was afraid of doing because I've only been on flat ground, but not bad. Okay, that was actually my task for the day, is to go up and around that thing. Okay, mounting is getting easier. Feeling like I'm not going to fall off. It's happening. Control happening. Yeah, see, I feel like I can adjust my feet now. I feel like I can wheel around, kind of know where I'm going. Feel like I can go a little faster turning. See if I can go a little faster up this hill. This is what I wanted to do in my life, is just be able to hold this. That was my main goal for 2022. Now I guess I have to make some more. I'm so out of shape that yeah, see, getting on and off is starting to become pretty easy because I've been doing it so much. I can also roll with one leg, so just do this and then hop on. Oops, not exactly like that. Alright, now we're going to go up around this turn with the camera. Got it. Wobbling a lot here, but I'm consistently able to speed up and slow down. And I can actually go pretty slow without falling, which is cool. I can do stuff with my hands now. And turn really good, at least left. And I think I can do, yeah, see, That's good. Turning's going good. I just gotta remember to lift up my leg and not be afraid when I make a right turn, even though going right is totally awkward for me. Last ride to the car and then I'm done for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.